All right, so I hope this alpha report was very helpful for you to know what people are looking at, what is becoming popular, to kind of give you ideas and like be a little bit more intentions, as well as some many tips that I have provided just off the top of my head. It's not personalized. Again, I'm not talking to you personally, but talking to the people on the internet and kind of just give you some insight so that you can have better decisions on your wardrobe moving forward. Definitely check out our YouTube channel. I have a lot of color palette type of videos out right now. Color selection is I'm very known for that. I worked on a lot of projects with that, and also doing a lot of like campaigns when it comes to interior decorating. I've been a part of that. And also if you are a retailer, online retailer, I am welcoming new clientele. You can start applying if you're interested in having it, doing ready to wear brand partnerships. If you want to have your collection shown on our Pinterest, we are opening the doors for you to share your products or products on our Pinterest. Definitely hit the link in the description to get our marketing deck and learn all the different options. Individuals, I have something coming up for you in 2026. I'm doing a little bit more changes within the company's infrastructure. I think it's time. It's been a lot of changes it's been a lot of back and forth since the pandemic, but now that we are in a very stable and new location, we just relocated to the Maryland, DC area this year, like a couple of months ago. But in 2026, it's going to be some changes happening, and I'm very excited about it. I think it's very necessary, especially with the climate, and to kind of just separate ourselves from others. I feel like it's time. So I'm preparing my team, I'm training them, and the website will be transferred to Shopify. I'm very excited about that. No more Squarespace. It's just going to be a lot of changes. So hang tight, but definitely enjoy the content. And thank you for purchasing. Those of you who are still purchasing my book, What You Mean, Discover Your Fashion Identity. That link is in the description as well. And also our closet at MIIEN. That was like a nice little soft launch. More products will be coming. It won't be just earrings, but I'm very excited about that. So definitely stay tuned. Our next alpha report will be the first or second week of January. I have to look at the schedule, but every 60 days there will be an update on alpha report. If you're feeling it, definitely let me know down below in the comments. And like, follow, comment down below. Join our email community as well. And you know what? You can start following us on Instagram. That's one of the changes as well. So yeah, I'm very excited. Until next time, my name is Mikara Reid at MIIEN. And baby, I'm gonna see you guys next time. All right. Bye.